First of all, make sure that you have enabled Bluetooth. If you haven't, turn on the Bluetooth and then open Remote Examination Care app. Now to perform blood pressure test, you need to turn on vital sign monitor device. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to turn it on. After that, go to appointment list in the app, press the recommended test button and press blood pressure instruction. Here you can see how to connect to device, how to connect apparatus for blood pressure test. After this, start the test. If you see this error, that means that you need to enable Bluetooth. After that, scan for devices and connect to multi-vision devices from devices list. After connecting, you will be navigated to test screen. Now place the device as instructed in the instructions. Start the test. After some duration, test will be completed. Once the test has been completed, a save result model will appear where test result will be shown. If you are not satisfied with the test result, you will have the option to retake the test. If you are satisfied with the result, you can save the test results. Now the test result has appeared. You can save the test result by pressing the save result button. After saving, app will navigate you to appointment details screen. Here you can see test results. Thank you.